In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your personal profile on Facebook to a professional profile. So that's different to a page. So we're talking about your actual profile where you can add friends. So let me share my screen. And you want to go onto Facebook and you want to go onto your actual Facebook profile itself. So just click on the right and click on there. Then under your edit profile, you want to click on those three dots and click on turn on professional mode. This tells you everything that you need to know. Click on turn on, and then this will turn on professional mode for you. Once that's done, so you can either click done or start exploring and look at all of the things that you can do in professional mode. Now, like I say, it says here, grow your audience and build your presence without starting a new page. I have set up a page for my new business. The reason being that you do need to have your page linked to things like Instagram to be able to use ManyChat and all of that. But these are all the things that you can do with a professional account. So if you are growing a business, I would recommend switching over to here.